guys. My name is Grandma Eileen, and I'm going to talk to you about gardening today. And this is my granddaughter, Mary. Hi, Mary. Say hi. Hi. Today we're going to talk about the tiny seed. When you grow a garden, it starts with a seed. So a seed has a hard outer shell, and inside the seed is nutrients like a backpack full of snacks that helps the seed grow. And what does the seed need? It needs three things. It needs sun, warmth, water for hydration, and it needs dirt, soil, or compost. You could buy that at your garden center, or you can make it at home. Whatever you choose to do is the right thing. So today we're going to have Mary plant a seed. So we have sunflower seeds, we have beets, and we have spinach. So which seed would you like to plant, Mary?
That.
You want the beet? Okay. So let me show you the seeds. Okay, the seeds of a beet are kind of big. See, they have a hard outer shell, and inside that seed is all the nutrients that's going to help that seed grow. Okay, Mary, so go get your pot. No, the pot.
Pot?
Yeah, we're going to put the seed in the pot. Okay. All right, so take the seed, and you're going to put your finger, you're going to push it down with your finger. Push it down. There you go. Deep, 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 deep. The bigger the seed, the deeper the seed. Okay, that's good. Okay, take the shovel out. Take the shovel out. All right. So now what do? Here, hold the pot. What do? Now we have to water it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, get your watering can. I forgot to put water.
Sure.
Okay. So just pretend. Put the water in. Okay. There you go, Mary. So how long do you think it'll take for those beets to grow, Mary?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Oh my goodness. Do you guys think it's going to take 6 minutes for the seed to grow? I don't think so. I think it's going to take a few weeks. And then in about a few months, maybe 2 months, you'll have beets to eat. And beets are really good for you. What do you think, guys? Bye.